Mastering the in English, when to use it and when to leave it out. Learn one of the most confusing English grammar rules. Avoid mistakes that even advanced English learners make. Understand when the is necessary and when it isn't. Number 1. Everyday activities versus physical places. School, activity or building. No article activity. I go to school every day. Use the physical place. The school is on the corner. Rule. Don't use the when talking about the purpose or activity. Use the when referring to the actual building or location. Number 2. Commonplaces without the. Know the for everyday activities. Examples: she's in class. He goes to church every Sunday. I'm going to bed. He's at work. He was sent to jail. These words describe activities, routines, or purposes, not specific places. Number 3. When the refers to a physical place. Use the for specific locations. Examples: the school is on the corner. The church is on Main Street. The bed is very comfortable. The jail is overcrowded. The class was noisy today. Rule: use the when talking about the actual building, object, or place. Number 4. Same word, different meaning. Activity versus object. Without the. I'm in class. They go to church. I went to bed. She's at work. He's in jail. With the class went on a trip. The church is near my house. The bed is soft. The work is difficult. The jail is full. Number 5. Hospital, American versus British English. Different English, different rule. American English. He's in the hospital. British English. He's in hospital. Both mean he is a patient receiving medical care. Number 6. Musical instruments. Playing versus owning. Use the when talking about playing. I play the piano. She is learning the violin. He plays the drums. Use a/an for the instrument itself. I bought a piano. He needs a trumpet. Number 7. Lakes, rivers, mountains, and countries. Geography rules. Know the. Lake Tahoe. Lake Michigan. Mount Everest. Mount Fuji. Japan. France. Korea. Use the Nile River. The Amazon River. The United States. The United Kingdom. The Netherlands. The Philippines. Number 8. Why some countries use the. Use the when a country name includes a political title, a group name, a plural form. Examples: the United States, the United Kingdom, the Dominican Republic, the Netherlands, the Philippines. Number 9. Universities. University names. Know the. Harvard University. Stanford University. Use the. The University of California. The University of Michigan. Rule: if the name contains of, use the. Number 10. Next and last. Time expressions. Know the from the present. Next week. Last night. Next Monday. Use the inside a story or past timeline. He arrived the next day. She called me the following week. Number 11. Cardinal versus ordinal numbers. Know the difference. Cardinal numbers know the. Page 3. Chapter 2. Room 5. Ordinal numbers use the first, the second, the third, The fourth. Examples. I finished chapter 2. I finished the second chapter. Number 12. Dates. When to use the month 1st, July 4th, May 7th, December 25th. Date 1st, use the 4th of July, the 7th of May, the 25th of December. Number 13. Quick review. Remember these key rules. Know the for everyday activities. Use the for specific places or objects. Americans say the hospital. Britons often say hospital. Play the piano, but buy a piano. Lakes and mountains. Know the rivers and some country names. Use the universities with take the ordinal numbers and day month. Dates use the practice makes perfect. Mastering the will make your English sound more natural and confident. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep improving.